of a big deal.
Of course.
Let's get trained.
Just so you know, my dad's training methods can be a bit eccentric.
Whatever gets us into the concert.
Hola! Here, hola, my special helpers.
Just kidding. The sandwich wasn't talking. It was me, Alberto. Come on in, pasen, pasen.
Told you he was eccentric.
He's fun.
The cubano is the sandwich my abuelo ate while working sugar mills in Havana. I like to prepare my cubano with a song. Espérate, let me grab some pan. Pan, jamón, stir jamón, a pickle and two slices of queso. Put the panini in the panini press, there you go. Solo eso.
Now you give it a try, chicas.
We got this. Pan and mustard, jamón, a pickle and 2 slices of queso. Put the panini in the panini press, there you go. Solo eso. Hey, we did pretty good. The cheese is melted.
Are we trained now?
No,